If we want to edit this button over here, we simply have to click on it. Then we are in the button widget over here. We can see the content settings over here, the styling settings over here, and the advanced settings over here. If we are going to content, we can see the type over here. We can change it if we want to. We can see the text over here. To customize, get in touch with us, we are going to customize it over here. We can click over here to edit with AI. We have the link over here. By clicking on this icon over here, we then have the setting to open in a new window and to add no follow. We can also use dynamic tags, for example, internal URL, by clicking on it and over here to content, and then let's say contact us. If someone is going to click on this button, they are going to be taken to the Contact Us page. Then we have the option to have an icon. If we don't want an icon, we can click over here. If we want an icon, we click over here. Then we have the option on where we want the icon to be. We can see it before the text or after the text. And the icon spacing between the icon and the text. If we go to style, we have the position, like so, the alignment, like so, the typography, with the font family over here, the size over here, the width over here. If we want to transform it, the style, the decoration, the line height, the letter spacing, and the word spacing. We can also use global fonts from over here. We have the options for text shadow, like the color from over here, the opacity from over here, blur over here, and the distance over here. And then we have the settings for the normal state and for the hover state. We have the text color over here, the background type over here. We can also have a gradient, like so. And for the hover, once again, we have the text color over here, and the background, we can also have a gradient. Like so. For the hover, we also have the option for an animation. So we can click over here and take a look at the animations. Like so. If we change our mind, we can simply click over here on this X. Then we have the border type. We can choose a border type from over here. The border width, the border color, and the border radius. If we want to customize them individually, we can simply click over here to unlink them. We also have box shadow over here with the color over here, the horizontal, the vertical, the blur, and the spread. Options like so. And we have the padding options over here. And we also have some advanced settings over here.